Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I just wanted to come to show you some of my clearance finds that I got from CVS. So I do have a CVS haul that I'm going to put up, but I wanted to show you guys the clearance finds first, so that you could go get them because I know they're going to go fast. Guys, I went to two different stores. One store was marked and one store wasn't. So if you see any of the summer stuff, just scan it and see if it's on clearance. And I found most of it in the the aisle with the with all the summer stuff and the made for TV things. But the lip gloss, I found that on the end cap. So let's go over some of these items so that you can take screenshots and you can go out and get them. So I remember I got these last year and now they have them again on clearance this year. It is the 4-piece travel bottles. These are great to get through TSA. I use them all the time, so I always keep some for myself. For some reason, I always crack them or lose them or give them to somebody or something. But I'm going to give you the UPC. Here's the UPC. And you know what? I should have scanned these to see if they attach to the $2 off 10 travel CRT. I didn't even think. But if I go to another store tomorrow, I will. But if you guys scan it and find that it attaches, please update us and let us know. Because if you get a bunch of them, you can save $2. So these are regularly $2. And they're on clearance for 75% off. So these come down to 50 cents. Good price. Okay. So well, let's go over the forks and spoons. It's the 48 set count. It's made by Home Smart. I'll give you the UPC. And I'll show you my receipt too, guys. So here is the UPC. Just holding it here long enough so you guys can get a screenshot. So it's the 48 cutlery set, 48-piece cutlery set, 16 forks, 16 knives, and 16 spoons. And let me see here on my receipt how much they were. Okay, I have to get my other receipt, but I believe they were $2 and they come down to 50 cents. And then next are these. It's a 5-piece freezer and storage container. And they only had lime green, but it's 5 pieces. They're each 1 pint. And you see they come with the lid. These are pretty good, especially with the kids going back to school. Those are great for lunch boxes, for food prep. They're even great for arts and crafts and the, put crayons in, or other little knickknacks and things that the kids need. But those actually come down to 49 cents. No, they come down to 99 cents each. Okay, so those are a good price too. So these are regularly $4, but they're 75% off, so they come down to 99 cents. Guys, that is a great price. Okay, so now the next thing, I thought these were really neat. They're called berry, bowl, and colander sets. And here, oh, let me give you the UPC for this. I'm sorry. Here is the UPC for the 5-piece storage set. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so next is this colander set. I thought these were really neat. And they come in, well, they may come in other colors, but my store had the lime green and the red. And you see it's a 3-piece set. It's the bowl, the colander, and the lid. And guys, you get 3 pieces for that. That's cheaper than the $1.25 store. And you can rinse, store, serve. Ideal for berries, fruits, and small vegetables. So I like this because I like to rinse my fruit off, and now you can do it in individual like serving sizes or whatever. So, and look, dishwasher safe. Okay, there is the UPC for the green one. Now let me get you the UPC for the red. That's the UPC for the red. Oh, it looks like the UPCs are the same. Yep, no matter what color, the UPCs are the same. Okay, so those were regularly $5 each, and they come down to $1.25. So again, pretty good deal. And then these, I bought these on a separate receipt. Well, let me show you this receipt first, then I'll go over the other receipt. So here you see I got the bowls, the colander sets, then the 8 storage containers. I cleared the shelf, guys. And then the 14-piece travel set. And I used a $10 extra buck to pay. So I got 29 items after my extra buck for $9.91. Yes. These are great for reselling. Again, great for lunches, for storage, for travel. Especially with the kids going back to school. But let me get my receipt so I can tell you guys about the Eos. Okay, guys, so the Eos Organic. Now, like I said, I found these up by the register, so you might want to look by the registers as well as in the section with all the chapstick and lipstick and things like that. Let me give you the UPC, and I only seen the pink ones. There's the UPC. Okay, and this is the organic strawberry sherbet, and these were like 94 cents. Let me show you my receipt. See, this is my receipt. I had got some of the cutlery on this receipt. So this is my receipt with all of the spoons and forks and things. So like I said, I paid 50 cents for those. So, and I used 68 cents in, you know, all those little cents you get back, those for the 2%, I had used those to go towards that. So, these were like 94 cents, the Eos Organic lip care, 94 cents. So guys, these are some good clearance finds. So like I said, make sure you scan the travel sets in to see if the travel CRT comes off. And I think it's like $2 off 10 if you're getting a bunch of those, because that'll help save you like $2 more. So that'll be like getting some of them for free. So guys, this is what I found on clearance. Search your CVS for clearance. Make sure you scan everything. Come back, let me know what you found. There's some other things I just didn't get them because I don't think the price is right. Like they had some paper. They had the red and white like picnic design tablecloths, napkins, and plates. Those were 75% off, but it's like 6 plates for 50 cents, and they're real flimsy. So to me, that wasn't worth it. They had some tumblers. They're the tall tumblers. They were like 50 cents. I'd rather wait till they go 90% off. They had some ice cream holders, and I think those were like $1. They had some salad holders, and I think those were like $1, like 2 little ones in the pack, and those were $1. But I wouldn't use them for salad because they're really small. Like I would use them for like kids ice cream or something. But there are other things, so just check. I just got the things that I thought were the best value. So thank you guys for watching. Come back, let me know what you found, let me know what you got, and until the next time, keep on saving.